Nestled in the heart of Texas Hill Country, the Lyndon B. Johnson National Historical Park is a vibrant tribute to the life and legacy of America's 36th president, Lyndon Baines Johnson. The park offers an immersive experience into the life of one of America's most influential citizens, with a comprehensive journey through President Johnson's circle of life, from his ancestors to his final resting place on his beloved LBJ Ranch. The park stands out for its unique and encompassing presentation of a U.S. president's life, telling the whole story from Johnson's humble upbringing to the global politics he navigated at the Texas White House. Visitors can embark on a professional guided tour or explore at their own pace with a self-guided auto tour, both of which take them inside President Johnson's boyhood home, the Johnson Settlement, and the LBJ Ranch, including the Texas White House. The park's Junior Ranger program engages young visitors with its history, challenging them to complete activities throughout their visit to earn a Junior Ranger badge. For a cinematic overview of Johnson's life and achievements, guests can view a park film that showcases his presidency and notable accomplishments. The park also houses a collection of museum exhibits that detail Johnson's political career, family life, and impact on America's social and environmental policies. The Texas White House is one of the park's most significant features, as President Johnson spent a quarter of his term here, dealing with pressing national affairs against the tranquil backdrop of his ranch. The LBJ Ranch is not only a presidential landmark, but also a working ranch where Hereford cattle roam, providing a living history element that continues to honor Johnson's commitment to land stewardship. The park offers a range of special events throughout the year, such as the LBJ 100 bike ride, and visitors can pay their respects at President Johnson's final resting place next to his wife, Lady Bird Johnson. The grave sites, marked with pink granite headstones, are a serene testament to the couple's lasting legacy. The park boasts a sunny, mild climate for most of the year, with three distinct seasons providing comfortable visiting conditions. Spring and fall offer temperate weather perfect for exploring, while summer can get hot, suggesting lightweight clothing and plenty of water for visitors. Winters are usually mild, with snow and ice being a rare occurrence. In conclusion, the Lyndon B. Johnson National Historical Park is not only a memorial, but a living classroom that offers visitors an intimate look at the forces that shaped a president and the nation. Through its immersive tours, interactive programs, and tranquil setting, the park captures the essence of Johnson's life and work, making it an invaluable destination for history enthusiasts and casual tourists alike. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.